Okay, well, this is on Tehama Highway. I'm standing on a footbridge, and this is coming down from someone's property down here, spilling into the gulch, the gully. It's, I'm going to try to get over here so you can see it goes all the way back, and it's super still. And then if you look over here, there's a pathway down, but I am alone, and I don't think I'm going to attempt this alone, because last time I took a spill up to the Sacramento River. I mean, it was fun and all, but I'm alone this time. So, and then if you, behind me, on the other side, it just kind of trickles down under the bridge. So, it's about 9:45 in the morning, and I try to go for a walk every morning. So this is my walk this morning. The highway's out over that way. So I could just stand here all day. Oh, here comes the really cool cars, and so I'm going to click this off and see what else I can find today.